Thought I'd pop in here today and just give you my recommendations as far as cutters and things to think about when you're buying a cutter. So there are a few different basic styles of cutters, and the most common is the pencil grip. So it looks just like a pencil. Most people hold it just like a pencil. Nothing wrong with that. It's a perfectly acceptable tool. These two are virtually the same, slightly different. You'll notice this one has a ball on the end. So for those of you who like to tap under the glass, you'll want to be looking for something that has the ball as opposed to ones that have sort of it's a hexagon shape there, so you've got sharp corners that if you were tapping on the glass it would splinter off and really not do what you're trying to make it do. So these are both Toyos. Toyo is a fabulous cutter. The heads can be replaced, so you don't have to buy a new tool, you just buy a new head whenever your carbide wheel sort of runs out. So like those, you can get other variations. So we have this one as a pistol grip cutter. This is usually recommended for people who have any kind of strength issues in their hand, maybe their wrist, carpal tunnel, or arthritis in their hand. This one is usually recommended for that, although I have had students who have tried using these who have those sorts of issues and they just found that the pencil grips were much nicer to work with. So this one you would sort of hold it in the palm of your hand. So you can see you've got a lot of contact with the tool. And I think maybe that's what gives some people that feeling of more stability when they're using the tool. So works the same way, you score the glass like that. Now this little guy, this is my favorite. I got it a couple years ago when Toyo came out with their tap cutters, the tap wheels. And this I believe is the Thompson Grip. So you can see if I compare it to the pencil, the brass cutter. It's actually only 3/4 of the height. But with this extra little handle piece that sticks out, it's just perfect. You put it right in the nook of your thumb and first finger, so it sits in the palm of your hand, and then you can hold on to this really solid. You'd be surprised at how much this little sort of pad that comes out into your hand really stabilizes everything. And then you just score like you would anything else. Toyo, T-O-Y-O, great tools. As I said, all of these cutters here that I have, you can just buy new heads whenever you need them. All right, hope that helps. Take care. Bye-bye.